11, given this formula, volume equals pi r squared h all divided by 3, solve for h. So we want to get h by itself, which means we need to move everybody else over to the other side. Well, the first thing we need to get rid of is this dividing by 3. So here's what we're going to do. We have v equals pi times r squared times h all divided by 3. So we're going to move that over by multiply by 3. That way it'll cross that 3 out. But if I multiply the right by 3, I have to multiply the left, that v, by 3. So you and I now have 3v equals pi times r squared times h. We're trying to get the h by itself. So we need to undo multiplying by r squared and multiplying by pi. Well, how do you get rid of multiplying? You divide. Now we're going to go ahead and divide by pi to make it go away, and at the same time divide by the r squared to make it go away, which means I'm going to divide this side by a pi and an r squared also. These all go away, and guess what you're left with? There's your h. H is equal to 3 times the volume divided by pi r squared. Which one of these formulas appears to have that as our solution? Because we were solving for h. H is 3v divided by, looks like it's choice E, none of the above. This is what the answer is, and it is not one of our choices. Therefore, we pick E, none of the above in this situation. Let's look at the next problem. Solve for n. X equals 4 times n plus 11. So I'm trying to isolate my n. That's who I want to get by itself. So let's move this guy over. So we're going to subtract 11 from both sides. X minus 11 is what I have on the left, equals 4 times n. Now, how do I get rid of multiplying by 4? I'm going to divide by 4. Divide by 4. And I get n equals x minus 11 divided by 4.